Hey photographers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. I make videos all about photography and running a successful photography business. And today I'm talking about what do you bring to a photo shoot. And I'm not talking just your camera gear. I'm talking about all the little extra stuff that really goes a long way on a photo shoot. And don't worry, I've got you down in the description box below. I created a PDF checklist so you can print off or keep for yourself so you can know what to bring and put together your own little kit. So every year I have a survival kit, emergency kit, whatever you want to call it. It's basically just odds and ends of all these things that I bring along to a shoot that I have found that I needed before and I did not have. So I'm giving you all the things that I bring to help with that. Okay, so the first thing you need is obviously a bag or backpack, something to carry all the stuff in. I used to, for years, have this guy. It's one of those little bathroom things that I loved it because I could just put it in my car, just clip it up and have it all hang and see where everything was. I love that it's clear so I could, you know, find things quickly. This is starting to get a little too small, so I need something bigger, and I usually take a wagon on my shoots so I can just throw things in there, but a backpack might be easier to carry. So let's go over some of the essentials. Okay, the most used item in my survival kit is hairspray. Oh my goodness, hairspray, hairspray, hairspray. Flyaways, baby hairs will be the death of me until the day I die as far as editing goes. I work with a professional hair artist, but still, like, if there's even a little bit of wind or humidity, the hair is gonna go crazy. So I buy several of these. I just do the travel size and then I just put one in at a time until I use them up. And then along with that, of course, you need like a brush. I also love toothbrushes. Those are really good for getting those fine tooth comb hair things. Those little baby hairs, they're really good at getting that down. So you would just spray the little toothbrush or the hairbrush and then kind of slightly groom them down. And then of course you need to sanitize everything after you use it on the client. Okay, next you'll need either chapstick or lip gloss. Lips are always the first to go that I found during a photo shoot, just getting dry and everything. And then along with that, just Q-tips. So you can just take the Q-tip out of your little chapstick and put it on so that way it's all clean and safe for every client. And bobby pins for obvious reasons, clipping up hair, or if the dress isn't quite fitting right. Here, I mean, these are lifesavers. So bobby pins, I usually get blonde ones and brunette ones, colored ones, so it'll match depending on what color my client's hair is. Can't talk today. And maybe not all of you will need this, but bug spray. Especially during the summertime when we're hiking in the woods, everybody wants flower fields, everybody wants the woods look. Well, there's also lots of bugs that come with woods and any of those flowery places. So lots of bug spray. And I also, if you have ticks, make sure you always check afterwards, especially if you bring a puppy on set. I always warn my clients, we're usually not too thick into the things, but I always have them check their dogs afterwards just in case. Also bring some kind of mirror. This little brush has a compact mirror, so you can go as small as this, but I suggest usually a little bit of a handheld mirror, a little bit bigger, or like the cheap $5 ones at Walmart, the like standing ones that you can just put against your car, so that way when they're changing their outfits they can see themselves and see their hair and all that stuff. So you definitely want a mirror. I also always have nail clippers, especially for hangnails or if the nail rips on something for some reason. Nail filer, tweezers, if there's like just one piece of hair on the eyebrow or something that we can't get. Love that for those. Also lotion for like ashy knees and ankles. These are really good to have. Again, probably depends on where you are living, but this is a must for here in the north when it's dry mountain air. And I also have cleansing wipes. Just get some e.l.f. These are like a cheaper brand. If it gets on the hands or there's one little mistake or smudge, definitely need makeup wipes. And along with that, I usually just do regular wipes, especially for downtown urban shots. If you're sitting on a rail or something like that and you get up and your hands are all nasty, I've used this more times than once, especially for clients and me. So regular wipes are awesome to have. I also have nail polish remover pads. If girls do their own nails and it's looking a little crazy, or I mean, you just never know. So I have those. I also have, I don't have here, I need to replenish my supply, but oil blotting sheets for when it's hot and sweaty, so just not wanting to ruin the makeup, but just kind of touching up if it's getting too shiny. Also cotton pads are great for that as well. Hair ties. I also got Band-Aids just in case. I actually would even recommend a separate little emergency kit for that, a little first aid kit, just in case. Oh, here's the tweezers. I'm trying to find everything. Neutral color nail polish if they forgot to paint their nails. I have painted nails real fast before a photo shoot. Yes, it has happened. And then I also have a static guard if the clothes are really clinging to each other, or a wrinkle release spray. I've had that. I tell my clients to come with no wrinkled clothes and then I'll do my best, but sometimes that helps to spray down if dresses start to get wrinkled on the way over. And also, which I don't have here because I'm out, lint rollers. Get yourself a couple good lint rollers. If the client has, you know, fur babies at home and stuff, hair just gets everywhere, or even from them sitting in their car on the way over, you definitely, I would much rather take 2 minutes to just roll the hair off than try to do hours in Photoshop later. A couple more things that I need to replenish. Extra backings for earrings. That's always a really good idea. You can get cheap clear ones just in case. Also, disposable razors. Yes, it's happened before, especially if they are showing their armpits and they don't have long enough hair to cover it. Just a quick little shave solves that problem. Another really important one is fashion tape. I prefer fashion tape over like safety pins and anything like that. Obviously it doesn't poke them and it just gets the job done. So if they have a blouse that's not sitting right, or it's too low and they're trying to bend over and it's just not working, fashion tape will save your life. And another thing I was gonna do a separate video on, I'm not sure, sorry, the lighting, the sun's going in and out of the clouds, but also a major thing I bring is a pop-up changing tent. So oftentimes I'm in the middle of nowhere, I don't have a bathroom to change in, so I bring a little pop-up changing tent. You can get them really cheap on Amazon, and I have the girls change in between their outfits in that, and it's been really useful. But I hope that was helpful, guys. You can get all these like for $1, most of them, if you just go to the travel section at Walmart or Target and just load up, get a cute bag, a cute little backpack or something, or even one of these carry-ons makeup from the makeup section. It also creates a better experience for your clients, because even if it seems like a small thing to you, like they've thought about this day over and over again, and sometimes when they forget something, it just makes them self-conscious, or like, oh, you know, like they just don't feel as confident anymore if they forgot a couple things. So this way you can come prepared and ready to just kind of spoil them as part of the process. Plus, a lot of this is to help you on the back end, so you don't have to edit as much later. So it's worth it. I mean, I think it only cost me like 20 bucks to put all this together, and it's the best 20 bucks I've ever spent. So I hope that's helpful. Again, I have a checklist that you can download and have for yourself down in the description box below. I hope this was helpful, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you have a survival kit or if you are going to now create one. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.